Okay, just making some wall supports so that when it rains, the walls don't come down on the stairs. Keep the wall shored up. And the guys are digging out for the wiggle wire holders to get the plastic on. Cementy?
The wires, no?
Yeah. But somewhere cement has to go for the panels though.
Panels?
The sun panels.
Is it too small, yes? To put the sun panel?
No, because they're gonna be on a bit of an angle to and block the afternoon sun from going in. There's gonna be too much sun going in.
But it's what now?
Yeah, but they don't have to be so high. Just maybe here.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
But you can just leave them go out as far as you want, as long as there's something strong to hold it.
Yeah.
But maybe you need some cement post or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.